자꾸 보게 돼 한마디 꺼낼까 말까 그냥 멀리서 너를 그려 If you feel the same 내 거울 앞에서 연습해서 웃을 timing 근데 나 자꾸 예측을게
Good morning! Kagabi hindi ko na na-close yung vlog. So, today is Monday, May 26.
Yeah, no, right.
Ito yung first game for Sapsasa. And yung first game ni Sak, mag-start ng 9:30, right, Sak? Yung first game. Versus what? Reverse what? Adelaide South is yung magiging kalaban nila. And maaga tayo kasi 45 minutes drive yun. Anong oras na ba? 7:31 7:32. And si Holly, suit niya na yung isang nabili namin sa Zara na jumper. Nice, no? Baba?
Yeah.
Meron siyang print na love. Hindi pa namin na-hold. Kasi naging busy na kahapon. Pag uwi namin, pinick up lang namin sila Dan. Tapos diretso na kami sa training ni Zach. And yun yung first time na na-meet ni Jan yung mga parents. And si Zach yung team. And ang daming paperworks. Binibiro namin si Jan na ikaw na lang ang hindi pa nakakapag-pass ng papers. Kasi naghanap pa siya ng pen. Buti na lang meron si Reyes na pen sa car. Yung pen niya kasi sa car, wala, hindi gumagana ata. Kasi meron kaming pen. Laging merong pen dito. Pero wala eh. Meron kaming schedule na print ng isang friend ni Jan. Kasi yung anak niya maglalaro rin sa Sapsasa. Nilaminate niya. Can I see, Kuya?
Dad, there's
Eto.
only one country.
Pero kailangan namin mag-glasses. Pero yung mga bata naman nababasa nila. Tapos hinighlight kung anong oras yung ano nila, anong oras yung game nila. Tapos anong oval, kasi apat ang ovals dito sa kung saan maglalaro ang mga sisak. Same lang nung last time and same lang din last year and same lang din nung si Kuya. Malapit dun sa ano, West Beach. Across lang kung saan kami nagstay before. Oh, your last game for Wednesday is at 12:30.
No, if they change that hoses.
12:30. Hanggang Wednesday kasi yung game. Tapos everyday 3 games sila. So pagoda na naman to si Sak mamaya. And nasabi ko ba sa inyo, si Sak yung captain sa kanyang team. What you gonna do, Sak, as a captain? Huh? What do you don't know? You tell me.
You gotta talk it up. So right, boys, bring it in, come on.
Oo, siya yung parang leader.
Get it going.
Lincoln better listen. No, tell him to shut up.
Oh, dapat siya yung masusunod. So para siya ang leader niya.
The best of the team. And Lady.
Yeah.
And Lenny. Who's John?
And so tisak yung kanyang jumper na nabili namin last year. SA 2024. And mamaya uulan daw. Hopefully hindi matuloy yung ulan kasi mababasa tayo. Tapos magiging, is it windy, ha? Is it gonna be windy?
Yeah, it's gonna get windy.
Yeah. So
Hopefully it stays like this.
yeah, I know. Ngayon maganda yung
Sure,
weather.
our first game's like this.
Caution, approaching red light
Sana
camera
talaga
and speed
ganito lang.
camera.
Kahapon ang ganda ng weather. Malamig. Pero clear yung ano, sky. So eto, linaminate din para hindi mabasa. So apat yung ano, kakilala ni Sak. Well, kakilala niya naman yung mga team. I mean, yung mga close friends niya. Si Mitch, si Brock, dalawa pala. Si Lenny, yan, 3. How old is Lenny, Zach? Same as your age?
She's 10.
10.
Turning 11.
Oh, he's the youngest one?
Mm-hmm.
O, tapos siya rin yung pinakamaliit. Yan, nata-traffic na kasi school at saka work. Dami pa naman ditong stoplight. Is this going to the city, huh? Oh,
So where we came last night.
okay. Alam kami ng city.
Straight through.
Yeah.
Starting
Yes,
turn
yeah,
straight
straight.
westward.
It was quick, no? Before, where did you go?
Same.
Same. And meron lang ako ditong 30... Nasaan na ba yun? Basta nasa 30 minutes lang to. Tapos, so fully na-charge yung phone kong isa dala ko. Nakalimutan ko lang i-charge. Sana mayroon pa siyang battery.
Subsaza.
Yeah. Maiki.
Is it? Yeah, right.
Kasi
Right.
doon ako mag-vlog pag ganitong laro. Kasi ito, walang pag-asa na sa Zoom. And kahapon, may tinignan kami nagbangkit ako kay Ray. Sabi ko, pangit ng zoom ng ating etong camera. So, ang ginagamit ko pag game is yung phone. Tapos, nabanggit ni Sisi Ray na meron daw siya nakita sa TikTok ata na review about sa isang phone. Ano yun?
Just
Nothing.
roundabout different today,
Nothing
Joe.
SA. Nothing 3A. Tapos tinignan namin maganda yung kung sa kung camera lang gagamitin mo. Ang ganda niya. Pero Android siya, so hindi ako marunong hindi ko yun alam kalikutin. So nagtitingin-tingin na ako. Tapos yung niya, yung gig niya is 215 lang. So mababa
Where
siya.
Yeah.
So tinitingnan ko pa rin. So we'll
You
see.
only bounce it once.
Kasi maganda siya sa
Oh, well, if you've got
sa
plenty of room, mate,
pag-zoom.
just put handball
Oh, I
on the
thought
ground,
that
pick
you-
it back up again and do another bounce. Do that.
Dala ko yung aking ito pala yung isang nabili natin sa Lululemon. Kasi nakalimutan ko yung hat. Nilabas ko yun, hindi ko na ilagay sa isa sa bag ng mga boys kasi yung luggage ko puno na. So ito yung binili natin. Sa pang-ulan siya. And maganda rin to sa pang-walking ko.
Come on, go.
Dito
go.
tayo sa nakakamatay na roundabout. Tingnan niyo.
Just got to get through this bit. It's not too bad. Traffic. You got pretty lucky through that bit there.
And busy kasi nito eh.
Go, follow him.
Okay. Okay. Tayo. Napasa natin yung roundabout. Ayan siya. Cute ng kulay niya, no? Ayan. So, mamaya gamitin natin to. Then, bumili rin ako nitong headband. Kasi parang walking ako yung buhok ko. Lalo na mahangin. Ito, makaka-help. Ganda, pareho yung kulay niya, oh. Magkano ba ito? Wala ng price. Okay. 55. 49. 55 New Zealand. Yung hat. So, 45 siya. 49. 55 New Zealand. 49 South Australia. Ito naman, 25 AUD. Then, 29 New Zealand. Ang ganda ng nila ngayon pa bag. Yung last time siya green ata or red. Green. Kasi mas maganda ito, mas gusto ko to. Yan, and dala ko rin to itong ultra light down ng Uniqlo yata. Yeah, Uniqlo po ito nabili. Ito yung pouch niya, oh. Kasi baka umulan, so mayroon tayong protection and malamig din nga mamaya. Maganda to kasi parang unan lang. Okay, mamaya na lang ulit. Kasi 9 minutes na yung pagtutok natin dito. Busy lang. Dito na tayo. And, ayan.
They're on this oval here, so we'll park here. We can watch.
Dito yung...
So you're staying in here for
Dito
the
yung...
whole day?
Yeah.
Is that it? That's a square just there. No, we won't go.
Yes, yeah. It's
Yeah, well, I don't want to park there, babe. Get it by the footy.
Oh.
So we'll just go up here a fraction.
Kasi dito yung oval na paglalaroan ni Sa. Kasi 4 to eh. So, buti na lang dito yung kanyang first game para kung umulan man talaga at windy, dito tayo sa car. Manunood. First game, right, Han? But we don't know where's the second and third game. Our is, yeah, may schedule pala ka ba?
On the
Where?
second oval.
What? That far?
No, the net, and then the others will be just over there.
This is the fourth oval. Are you going over there to watch?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But this game, you're just going to sit in your car.
Yeah, for the first game, yeah. And hopefully, hopefully di
Now,
umulan.
Jack.
Yeah, mahangin.
There's the rain.
Huh?
Yeah, look at there.
No, it's not.
It's not rain.
No breeze.
Okay. Go warm up now, Saki boy. Maaga pa kami kasi.
Just
9:30 yung game. 8:02 pa lang. Kaya tayo maaga dahil iwas traffic and para makakuha tayo ng park dito. Yes, me too.
I've got your Kathmandu just behind Bub on that bag.
Oh,
You'll be able to grab
kailangan
it.
niya yan.
Oh, I've got to turn the car off.
Yes, na. Now, what we gonna eat, babe? For breakfast. Dapat dumaan muna
ain't
tayo. Wala kayong breakfast.
Right, will you be standing on the stand? No, you don't have any chairs.
There we are.
We have
Where?
chairs
In the
at the
back.
back.
That's not a real flush.
Flush.
You have to tuck in the trees. Stand in the trees.
Yeah, kasi yung hangin.
We're not, our tent's not over here. Our tent's in the same spot.
Where? That one, right?
No, ours is on the other side.
Where's Dina and all that? Hun?
Be over there.
Where? That.
I'll be still at the caravan park.
Yeah. Maganda dito sa caravan kung nakakuha kami kasi hindi namin kailangan
So there's
gising
the
ng
gulls there. We shouldn't
maaga.
get hit here.
And then
There's the wind.
ano lang, walking distance lang. Nakita nyo na yun before, di ba? Kasi si Sak last year, naglaro si Kuya 2 years ago, dito rin naglaro. Okay, meron kami dyan mga chips, di ba? Yun yung pagkain namin.
Sana.
Yeah, good luck. Ayan pala yung windbreaker ni Sak. From last year, right? Ayan, mag-warm up na siya. Mahangin, malamig ang hangin. Oh, kita niyo yun? Kami ni Holly dito lang. No? Baba. Change location. Meron nakita si Jen na mas okay daw yung parking para nasa middle. Oh, diba? Ang ingay ng aking kasi yung seatbelt namin hindi na nilagay.
Righty, but then walk straight through there.
Ayan na. Ayan si Kuya. Pero yung sun naman ang ating ano be?
Huh?
The
Oh,
sun.
that'll go away soon when the bloody clouds come.
Okay, so dito na tayo. Kanina nandun tayo sa kabila.
Yeah, well, this is alright. Yeah, this is good.
Yeah, but the sun, hindi ko makita dahil so mag-shade na lang tayo. Nandito na yung papa ni Brock, ayan, tsaka yung nanay pa niya. Nandun, yun yung grupong yun. Say hi din. Sinisipong ka na, Baba. Lumabas siya. And
It's sunny, but it's raining.
And what? You went outside and what do you feel outside?
Cold.
Cold. Ang lamig.
It's freezing.
And dumadami na yung mga tao. Ayan.
But the tent is back there. Not there. The tent's
Yeah.
not here.
Ayan, dami na ng tao. Si Sa at saka yung sila Brock pumunta sa kabilang oval kasi nandun yung tent nila. May tent dito, di ba? Nakita nyo yung puti. Hindi yun yung tent nila. Nandun, so nandun sila. Like meeting sila. And what are you doing, Baba? Show them what you're studying. Basahin mo, dali. Read it. mayroon siyang binabasa dito. Basahin mo, what's that?
Abagandang. Apagandang.
Abakadang, ano to? Basahin mo.
Unang hakbang sa pagbasa.
Okay, so what is salt in Tagalog? Kanina niya lang inara. I don't know. Come on. Let's check. What's this Tagalog of older?
And they're all A's.
Yeah. So nag-start kasi sa
Because it goes in alphabetical order.
they call it in Tagalog. A is yeah. So what is what is salt in Tagalog? Hindi niya paano kasi ngayon kanina lang niya.
Tip of my tongue.
Okay, so what else do you know?
I know.
Let's start
Girl.
what is the girl?
Ate.
Ate is what? Older what?
Older sister, older friend.
Or cousin?
Or cousin. I know dog. Aso.
Aso. Ano pa? What's that one?
The apple.
Oh, no, that one.
I know the sweet apple.
Apple
Asin?
sugar. No, that's not asin.
Wait, is that salt?
Yeah.
Atis.
Atis. The apple sugar is atis. Very good. The
Salt is asin.
asin. Oh, how about that
The
one?
sun is aro.
Araw. Lagi nga
Araw.
na, ano yan, araw. Almost okay. Perfect mo na. How about the fire? The fire. What's the fire? All start with A or A. Ano?
What?
What?
I'll order the photos.
Okay. Yeah.
Because mine didn't work.
Daddy, you going over there?
Why?
No, I'm going here.
Mag-order siya ng photo ni Sak. Okay. What is the other one? The fire.
What?
Okay, mamaya na guys, mauubos ang aking SD.
Acting?
No, up. The flame.
Oh, I don't know the flame. I know all the other ones.
Okay. Apoy. Okay, so next time, dapat perfect mo na yan.
Okay, let me try again.
Okay.
So, the sweet apple, atis. The salt, asin. The dog, aso. What was next?
The older girl.
Ate. And then the sun, araw. Then the fire, apoy.
Very good! Perfect! Ay! Tapos na siya sa
Wait,
una.
is this 6?
Yes.
That's the second fire.
So, sa ano mo na siya sa, ayan. So, perfect yung,
So,
ano niya, first na.
Let me try like I
Okay.
can do it straight away.
Alright.
So, apple, the sweet apple, atis. Then the salt.
Apple sugar, they call it apple
Apple
sugar.
sugar, atis. Then the salt. What do I keep forgetting? I got it before. So, atis, asin,
That's right. What's asin in English?
salt.
Uh-huh.
Then the dog, apoy.
Ano?
I mean, the dog, aso.
Uh-huh.
Ate is ate a girl, like girl, older sister, older cousin, or older friend is ate. The sun is araw. Then the fire is apoy.
There's another one.
What am I missing?
Oh yeah, it's all good. Perfect. Very good. And what is the what do you call this letter? Is a
Mangang.
no, the A. What is the vowel of A in Tagalog?
Maang.
No. No.
What? Oh, vowel.
The vowel is A in English. What is in Tagalog?
Pating. Patinig.
Patinig. Okay? So memorize A is a vowel, but in Tagalog, A is patinig. Okay? Alright. Okay, 5 minutes na to guys. Alright. Tinig.
A, I, O,
U. Again, not looking. Patinig or vowels in Tagalog.
A, I, O, U.
Yeah. Again.
A, E, O, U.
Okay, so vowels.
A, E,
So vowels
O, U.
is, what is in Tagalog is vowels?
Patinig.
That's
Patinig.
Patinig vowels. Patinig vowels. A, E, O, O.
U.
Vowels A,
A,
E,
I,
I,
O,
U. That's right.
U.
Good job. See you. Good luck. Galing na sila doon sa tent.
That means Mackenzie's here.
Good job. Go. Good luck, Zach. Ando na sila. Ang daddy. Saya. Mag-start na soon. And ako nagsisave ako ng na-edit natin. Para may vlog tayo mamaya. Ayan na si Jan. Suot niya na yung Kathmandu niya. Kasi ang lamig. Kilala nyo naman yan si Jan. Hindi yan ma-jacket pag hindi talaga malamig. Pag yan nag-jacket na, ibig sabihin, sobrang lamig para sa akin. Kasi pag hindi siya naka-jacket, ako nilalamig. Sa kanya wala pa yon. Pag yan nag-jacket na, wala na. Maninigas na ako sa lamig. Suotin ko rin yung akin. Meron din ako dito. Ayan. Pag na-save na to, labas na rin ako. Nandun lang yung grupo namin, oh. Yung mga parents din ng kaibigan ni Jan. Ay, ni Jan. Yeah. Parents ng friend ni Zach. Ay, naku, ang hangin. Mag-start na. You're not coming, Baba?
No, it's too.
Yeah, suotin ko na to. Okay. Iwan ko itong, at naririnig yung hangin. Oh. Iwan ko to ditong camera kasi gagamitin natin itong phone. Sama siya.
Good handball. Get it out. Help him out.
Okay. Hi.
Colin.
Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Oh.
He's holding him. He doesn't know it.
Go. Come on.
Drop. Get back.
Go. Go, 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 go. Go, kick. Go, Zach. Go, go, go. Come on, run. Good job. Go, kick it. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go. Come on. Oh my God. Go, Zach. Good job, boys. Ito yung first game. Go, 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 dali. Go, dali, dali, dali. Come on. Good job. Go, 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 go. Oh. Come on. Jump, jump. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, dali. Oh my God, that ball is too slippery. Go, Zach. Go. Oh my God.
That's Asher. You can tell he runs on his toes.
Go, Zach. Oh my God, Saki.
Good, Zach.
Go, go, go. Run.
Got it.
Yeah.
Go, Judd.
Oh.
Bad luck, bud.
Oh my God. Come on. Jump as much as high. Go, Zach. Go, Mitch. Mag-kick. Go, Zach. Oh. Oh, good job. Go, go, go. Get him. Get him. Oh my God. Come on. Get it up. Go. Go, Zach!
Help him, Mitch! Help him!
Go, go! Come on! Go, Connor!
Guys have a great opportunity to kick 5 or 6 goals, yes? See each other up, let's get some goals!
Second quarter, lakas ng ulan. Go, Dino! Kasi ng ulan, guys. Go, Lenny! Go, go, go! Yeah! Oh my God, lakas na ng ulan. Where was that? Maganda ang hangin ang kalaban ng mga bata. Oh my God, lakas na ng ulan, guys. Good job! Come on! Come on, one goal. Give a go! Oh my God, the rain. Come on. Yes! Yes! Good job! Go, Zach! Good job, Zach! Let's go! Okay, Lenny! Go, 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 Lenny! Good job, guys! Go, Mitch! Dito na kami sa loob. Pero basang-basa na. Hindi na makita. God, kawawa mga bata! Si Zach nakakick siya. Pinupunasan niya yung kanyang mukha kasi hindi na siya makakita. Itong dalawa, tingnan niyo. Tawa lang ng tawa. Hala! Look at the over.
That'd be so fun to play.
Oh, kuya! They...
Done.
Oh, done!
16 minutes.
Oh, we won? Yes! Panalo tayo, guys. Well done, boys.
Oh, it'd be so fun to play out there. Look
Yes,
at it, it's
yeah.
flooded there.
Yeah. Panalo tayo. First game panalo, oh. Rehan wiping his face.
Yeah. They gotta be fat. They're gonna have to do that all day.
Yeah.
Look, his umbrella. Yep, she's fat now.
yung mga may mga pa yung iba nagbaliktaran na sila.
Good God, he's fat.
Yeah. Basang-basa siya. Punta ko si Sak sa tent. Kasi nandun sila, medyo malayo yung tent nila. Sila natin siya ng snack sa jacket.
Freeze!
I know. So, alright. Yeah, get some. This? Where you get this one? Oh, you get this one. Oh, okay, thank you. You alright now? Dito na rin si John. Basang-basa siya. Thank you, sorry.
Ow!
sobrang basa nito. So, tinatry kong matuyo dito sa hangin. Nakahang to doon sa tent. Kaso kulang yung hangin doon. So sabi ko, ilabas ko na lang para kahit papano. Hindi man siya madadry talaga. Pero at least, mabawasan yung basa niya. Binigay ni Jan yung Kathmandu niya kasi nilalamig siya. Mag-start na. Ayan. Basa pa rin. Pero wala tayong magagawa. Change na ha. No, I already been doing that one. I've been doing that. Pinigang ko na siya eh.
Put it on over your jacket.
Yeah, it's gonna warm. Come on. It's gonna be cold. But put it now, Baba. Han, give it to me, Han. Put it in now, and put that one. Come on, let's go.
Oh. Wait, no, not this one.
Yes, yes. Huh? Cold, I know. That's part of the game. See? And then... Give it to me. And then put this one. Oh, this is so warm. Okay, put this one. And this. Kasi mag-start na sila soon. So, kailangan mag-get used na yung body niya dyan sa basa niyang jersey. And put this one. And you will be alright. Alright. Mag-start na sila. Pinas na din sa aking medyas niya, oh. Mag-warm up muna sila.
Yeah.
Hindi na, mag-start na sila. Good luck, boys. Oh, sana huwag na umulan. Masyadong ulan. Okay, give it to me. Thank you.
Tried to give him a drink, but no.
Okay. Tapos yung first quarter, naka 1 point lang tayo, yung kalaban 1 goal. Tapos na yung first quarter, lamang ng isang goal yung kalaban. Oh, it's freezing! Let the girls stay there because it's freezing. The girls, let's stay there. The tent.
Yeah, and then in the tent. I was going to stay in there.
Yeah.
Because I think I do want you next to me.